There we go. You can see the paint, how it's so shiny. Yeah, it is cold. Shut off the air.
I'm selling. I want to keep it. I don't know. Hold on, we'll go on the highway.
Yeah, go on the highway. Go that way. Go home.
Well, let me just make sure the roof is shut. I just want to make sure the hood's shut. I just slammed it, so give me a minute. Now I gotta sell this one. I'm like going in depressed mode, I think. Oh, slump.
Okay.
I'm gonna go on the highway.
Yeah, we're gonna go the highway.